Forgetting a saved Wi-Fi network on your Samsung Galaxy S24 declutters your network list, enhances device performance, and boosts security by preventing automatic connections to untrusted or unused networks. Here's how it's done. Firstly, press the home button to navigate back to your home screen. From there, swipe down from the top of your screen and select the settings icon. Within the settings menu, find and select Connections. Then, choose Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the Options button at the top, and from the pop-up menu, select Advanced Settings. On the next screen, select Manage Networks. Now, choose the network that you wish to remove. To do this, touch and hold the network until it's selected, then tap Delete at the bottom of the screen. And voila, you've successfully deleted the network. Alternatively, you can also forget the network by tapping on it and then selecting the Forget button at the bottom of the screen. Finally, press the Home button to navigate back to your home screen. Thank you for tuning into this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this one. Stay connected.